All right, so we are going to set up a digital journal. First, you need to download one. I've already downloaded the Aniki kit. It's free. Once you've downloaded that from my site, the links are in the description below. This is what it looks like inside. I've made a manga comic journal that you can use for digital journaling. So if you love manga and you love journaling, you might want to try this fun concept of putting some manga into your journaling, especially because of all the expressions you can do and that comes with it, all the manga panels, the stickers. For the digital stickers, you can get them free also on my website, linesandgrace.com. Look for the Aniki Kit Digital Stickers Collection. It has not just the manga stickers, but also some journaling essentials like calendars that you might want to use when you're journaling digitally. So this is just a quick run through of what you have in this PDF. Basically, we are going to import this into our GoodNotes app. You tap on it, and then you're going to select Open in GoodNotes. And when you do, this file will, the GoodNotes app will open, and you will select Import as New Document. Once you've done that, you can see that a new notebook has been created that has that PDF in it. And of course, there's some pages that you don't want. That's part of like just introducing what this PDF is all about. And you can remove that. And so how to remove that is to go to the pages. So if you see those 4 squares on the upper left, tap that one. And then the pages will all come out. To select multiple pages, just tap Select on the upper right. And then these circles come up and you can check the ones that you don't need. Take out the cover pages, the guide, comics, and if you want to use digital stickers only, then you can also remove the pages that are for printing the stickers. I've just left behind the things that I may duplicate, like weekly, yearly, OKR templates, gratitude templates, quotes, dot grid pages. These are all the pages that I will duplicate in my journal. So let's personalize our journal. Let's say that we are going to use this journal for 2024. So this thing that you're seeing right now, I'm just using digital stickers from the digital stickers collection. And these are the number stickers. You can get them for free as well, just to help you start digital journaling and get a feel for what it is and whether you like it or you don't. This way you don't have to, you can write it yourself as well with the pen tool, but when you feel like you don't want your handwriting, you're not happy with it too much, then you can always use the alphabet and the number stickers, digital stickers. They're great for use as headings and words that you want to emphasize, as well as dates on your journal page. In the digital stickers collection, there is this calendar that you can also get for free. In GoodNotes, you can crop photos, but you just have to select the image and then you just crop it, rectangle crop. And this, I'm just cropping it to the right dates within January 2024. So in the calendar's digital stickers collection, you will find the Sundays to Saturdays heading for the calendar. That way, when you make a calendar, it's really easy. You don't have to write the numbers one by one. Here, I'm just highlighting what week this week is in my mini calendar. I find it really easy to use the recent elements that you put on the page rather than dragging them one by one. So I'm basically using the numbers digital stickers for writing the dates for each week. So after I've set up my weekly, I can simply duplicate it. To duplicate your weekly, you just go back into your page manager and then select the pages and long press duplicate it. And when you do, then you don't have to set up the next week's one from scratch, except for the dates, and then you can just keep going like that. And that's how digital journaling saves you time, is because once you've done something, you can just duplicate it. The best thing about this is that for the next month, you don't have to you don't have to do all of those arranging of stickers. You can just duplicate what you've had and just move around the stickers. Like, for example, in February, all you need to do is just duplicate all the weeks that you had in January, and then you could just move the dates into the right day of the week. By doing this, you can really see how digital journaling saves so much time and still gives you that flexibility to be creative and to do the layouts that you want to do as well. I also have quotes pages, and with my quotes pages, I just use this to remind myself of things that has inspired me or things that I want to remember. And it's really useful when you have a template that already can handle that and you don't have to make it and design it yourself. And so here is my quotes page. This is just my favorite verse from the Bible. And I just want to show you how you can write a quote into this quote bubble. And again, there are different faces. So depending on what your quote is, you can swap out the emotions. Just use the template of the speech balloon without the face, the character in it, the girl in it, and then you can put in the appropriate sticker, digital sticker. Another way that you can easily customize or personalize your digital journal is by opening two GoodNotes notebooks side by side. So on the left side is the templates, and on the right side is your journal. So you can actually move one page from duplicate. You can actually duplicate it. Alternatively, you can also just have your empty or blank journal notebook on the right side, and then you can just drag the pages that you need for the PDF that you have imported into GoodNotes. We have set up our digital journal from scratch using a PDF that we've imported into GoodNotes. We've customized our pages, added some quotes, duplicated pages we need. I hope you give digital journaling a shot. And if you want free resources, go to lionsandgrace.com and you will see the Aniki Kit digital stickers collection. There's lots of free stuff for you. Go ahead and try it out. Subscribe for more about using manga stickers in your digital journal.